the shadows and the coppers sit. Bisbee Bob with a Bible in his hand and a heart buried deep in the gambling sand. He preached the gospel on Sunday morn, then head to the gulch where the sinners are born. Between the poker chips and the scarlet lights, he spent his soul on the Bisbee nights. Oh Bisbee, your treasure's a heavy chain of whiskey, women, and the gambler's pain. But this copper queen is a memory now, but the sweat still sits on the miner's brow. Fly high where the desert blows through, let the copper turn to green in the canyon of the blue. Now the red earth starts to show its face in the hollowed out ribs of a haunted place. Bob was deep in the tar shaft drift. Bob was deep in the tar shaft drift, working the tail of a double shift. He fell to his knees in the damp in the dark when a vision struck like a lightning spark. A wall of gold in a limestone shell, a staircase to heaven in the back of hell. He swung that pick with a madman's grace, greed written all over his dusty face. But the mountain groaned a heavy sound as the mule pass rocks came crashing down. One last breath in the golden glare, with a pocket full of riches and no more air. Oh Bisbee, your treasure's a heavy chain of whiskey, women, and the gambler's pain. But this copper queen is a memory now, but the sweat still sits on the miner's brow. Fly high where the desert blows through, let the copper turn to green in the canyon of the blue. The dust settles down on the broken stone, but the sweat still sits on the miner's brow. Fly high where the desert wind blows through light, just the chill of the Bisbee night. It's the song of a soul that nobody knows. Yeah, the mountain takes what the mountain gave, just a golden crown in a limestone grave. Oh, Bisbee. Yeah. Oh, Bisbee. The copper turns to green in the canyon of the blue. Rising up from the canyon floor, where the Mule Mountains meet the sky, We're drifting over the rooftops now where the old ghosts used to lie. See the gardens tucked in the rocky slopes and the winding stairs of stone. A patchwork quilt of a miner's dream in a place they called their own. Oh, Bisbee, you're a treasure hid in the red dust and the blue. The Copper Queen is a memory now, but the heart still beats in you. Fly high where the morning light breaks through. Now the red earth starts to show its face, stained by the riches deep inside. The Brewery Gulch is waking up with nothing left to hide. Past the spires and the weathered brick, where the outlaws used to roam. Now it's artists and the dreamers who call this canyon home. But look ahead where the mountain broke to the scar that never heals. The Lavender Pit is yawning wide to the grinding of the wheels. A mile across and 1,000 deep where the earth was torn away. The price we paid for the copper wire that lights the world today. Snakes down like a silver thread by the edge of the hollowed ground. Silence sits in the giant steps where the thunder used to sound. Silence sits in the giant steps where the thunder used to sound. We're soaring over the empty vein of a kingdom built on ore. Looking back at the town behind and the shadows on the floor. Oh, Bisbee, you're a treasure hid in the red dust and the blue. The Copper Queen is a memory now, but the heart still beats in you. Fly high where the desert wind blows through. Let the copper turn to green. In the canyon of the Queen, where the work is finally done. Yeah, the work is finally done. The shadows stretch across the sand where the ghost of miners tread. They left their marks upon the land and the words they never said. The wind it whispers through the pines, a secret kept in stone, of silver veins and copper mines in a place they call their own. Oh, the desert holds its breath tonight beneath the pale moon's glow. The stars are burning cold and bright on the world we used to know. We're drifting on a sea of dust where the ancient rivers ran, in a kingdom built on iron and rust and the dreams of every man. The canyon walls are closing in like the pages of a book, of where we've gone and where we've been and the chances that we took. The road it winds into the dark where the canyon meets the plain, leaving just a tiny spark in the shadow of the rain. So let the desert take it back, the glory and the greed. Along the winding mountain track is everything we need. The Copper Queen is sleeping now beneath the desert floor, with the crown of stone upon her brow and a lock upon the door. Let the silence be the song where the shadows grow so long. drifting where we don't belong. Yeah, the work is finally done. The work is finally done.